crazy photographer's willing to do? Cross a highway with live traffic just to get a shot. We're looking across the way at Trieste, Italia. And now we run. And then we run back. Woo!
Tell me about that drive you just took.
The drive?
10 kilometers up dirt roads.
So we took made a little bit of an error and followed the GPS, which you shouldn't do in places like this. And went up a very nice paved road to a very nice gravel road to a very sketchy gravel road, at which point we realized, yeah, we're in big trouble. Turned around, came back down.
Where it turned into mud.
It wasn't mud, but it was very wet for a moment. Yeah.
But it was exciting.
It was exciting.
And we made it. We had enough food to last a night if we needed to. And here we are at the top on the right road, halfway to our destination now.